Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So I'm actually going to be testing out this chipboard that I purchased off of Amazon. I'm going to see what works, what doesn't work when it comes to cutting this. It is kind of thin. I would love to use this for making, earrings. You can also use this for jewelry, jewelry tag holders or whatever they call it. I don't really know. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and first see if just a regular hole punch works. Oh my gosh, I'm hoping it does. I'm so nervous because I just bought this hole punch. I really don't want to break it. Okay. No, that was a fail. Okay, so the hole punch does not work. Now I would like to just try these little thinlits, see how these work. So I'm just gonna, y'all, I gotta go ahead and cut that out because that is like done. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and get my Sizzix, and I'm going to go ahead and see if these work when I run it through. All right, so I'm taking this off. I'm really hoping that it cut. Okay, it actually did cut. So you guys, that's awesome. That's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out another matching earring, as well as cut out